Be ahead of your time. Be ahead of your time. Be ahead of these times. Live as union and love now, not in the future somewhere. Live as the union within and transmit that union into the collective through your actions, through your essence, through your vibration. Not in the future, not when everything is resolved in you. Things will never be resolved in you in that way, not in the way of imagination. Live as love now, not as division, not as fear, not as judgment, not as this projection, endlessly projecting out into the matrix. Live as the union of love somehow now, not when things are sorted out. That's the most valuable thing that I realized, was that waiting is an endless game in a way. It's an endless procrastination, an endless putting off until some fictitious time when we feel ready, when everything conspires to be in exactly the right geometry or architecture. When everything is resolved within, when everything is resolved without, when there's peace. But what I'm saying is, don't wait. Be. Don't wait until then. Be it now. Be it now. Don't doubt. Not in the way of the mind. No one feels ready. There is no readiness for being. It doesn't exist. I'm not talking about a mental thing. I'm talking about activating something deeper, deeper within, an inner authority that says no matter what the circumstances are, no matter what it feels like inside, no matter what's rampaging through my mind, no matter what stormy emotions are happening, no matter what is happening on the political spectrum of life, no matter what is happening in the globe. And I know this is not easy, we live, I don't know where you live, but I live in the US, and although it's stormy always, politically and energetically, it's not war. It becomes more difficult when the war is on your doorstep. And I've never experienced war, so I can only or almost imagine. But until that happens, still I will choose to live as the union of being to the best of my capacity, the union within me and the union that I carry into the collective. And I will choose to live as love, the love that is whole unto itself, that needs no cause from anybody else or anything else, that is self-actualized, that is self-realized, is union with God, he is union with nature, is union with the heavens above. All aspects of myself. I will. And I think, it's really worth considering that it's not somewhere in the future, but to be it now. Don't wait until then. Be it now. Because there's great power in that. And there's no victim in that. There's no victim consciousness. There's no sort of I can't, because you can. We all can, but we have to accept something very deeply about ourselves. We have to go beyond fear, in a sense, not by pushing it away, but by somehow almost transcending it, a transcending of fear within us. I will not be subject to fear, and I will not deny fear, but I will be here. Yes, body is like this, body is a moving thing, body hurts, body aches, body disintegrates, body has symptoms. The whole system, the inner system and the outer system, is rattling, is stormy. I think I said this yesterday, is stormy all the time in some way, shape or form, to a greater or lesser extent. And if we're waiting until it's absolutely calm and tranquil and peaceful, we could be waiting forever, and that means it never happens. It's now. The beauty, the depth, the doorway, the power is now. As good old Eckhart Tolle said, the power is now. But it's like the power is in the now. The power is in the now to say, I will live as unity, I will live as union, and I will live as love. That's the power is in the now. Bless you.